guys, my name is Sari. You might know me on Instagram as Physique by Sari. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how we're going to keep fit during this quarantine time and during these times where we can't really go for gym and we have to spend time at home and try to make do. So, first thing I'm going to tell you why it's important to work out during quarantine. Of course, we are not getting the amount of steps that we would usually get in. We are not burning the amount of calories that we would usually burn walking about, going to office, coming home. But our calorie intake remains the same. We keep eating breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even maybe tumpang and several other snacks. So we tend to have more calories and we tend to not burn anything. So it's really important for you to keep active. So the next thing I wanted to say was how we are going to go about this home workout thing. Now, there are many types of bodies. You might want to lose weight, you might want to gain weight, or you might just want to get fit and just get rid of your belly and tone up. So depending on your body goal, it's important to count your calories as well as know your type of workout. So let's go. Today I'm going to go with the main thing, the biggest problem in Sri Lanka, which is weight loss. So if you have more amounts of body fat on you, it's better if you can do more cardio-oriented workouts. You don't need any equipment for fat loss. Let me repeat that. You do not need any equipment at home for fat loss. Just your body weight is enough. And if you have something like this at home, you can punch it. But just your body weight is enough to do workouts and burn calories, sweat for an hour or an hour and a half, and you're done. Or you can go around for a jog, or what you need to do is increase your heart rate and keep the heart rate between 120 and 140, or depending on what is for you. And you just need to keep working out, keep sweating for at least 1 hour, 1 hour 15, and stretch and finish it off. Okay, so before you start anything, I know that it's really hard to stay at home. Last time during quarantine, as soon as curfew started, I was all over the place. I couldn't focus. I really wanted to go out. I wanted to meet people, and it was difficult. So I needed to get my mind in one place and clear my mind. It was so cluttered. So yoga doesn't work for me. I don't have the patience and I cannot keep my mind in one place. But if you can do something like that, something to calm yourself down, that would be really great. What I did was I painted watercolors. So that really, cleared my mind, and I wasn't thinking of anything but keeping the paint between the lines. So do what you need to do to clear your mind and declutter yourself, and then set goals, then make a plan, strategize, start and execute. I know that the real challenge is trying to eat clean during this time. A lot of us don't know what we should eat and how we get these special foods. Remember, what I tell my clients is Sri Lankan food is very nutritious. If you come to think about it, we are really blessed with all sorts of grains, red grains, brown grains. We are really blessed with fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, fresh meat, dairy, poultry, anything you want, nuts, seeds, everything we have. So what we need to do, even if you're eating string hoppers and eggs, even if you're eating kuraka noodles and chicken curry, what you need to do is to fix the quantity. 1 cup of cooked whatever carbs in the morning, 1 cup of cooked carbs in the for lunch, and for dinner, eat all meats, veggies, even fruits. It's no problem. There's new research where you can eat fruits in the evening and it helps to repair your tendons, and the fibers in the fruits helps to recover your injuries. So there's a research like that as well. So remember, we just need to move around the quantities, more proteins, more veggies, more fibers, more fruits, and carbs in moderation. Do not cut out carbs because you need to exercise and you need calories. So that's the trick to eating clean during this time. Now we're going to talk about difficulties that you might face while working out during quarantine. The only difficulties you might face is one, if you're a bodybuilder and you want to get bigger, you might have a difficulty finding equipment if you don't have your gym and things. You won't be able to gain weight per se if you don't have enough weights at home. If you have a home gym, that's awesome, you can keep gaining weight. But you can always find equipment, and you can buy a few barbells or a few adjustable dumbbells and a few plates and keep increasing the weight and at least maintain your pump during this time. Another difficulty is, again, there are clients who have a small body and they just want to tone up their lower bodies and their upper bodies and become curvy and build all the lower bodies and everything. So even for that body sculpting, those little things, we need equipment. So I have a solution for you. My online training program includes all these things. So I find you the equipment as well as make your schedule, whether it's toning, fat burning, muscle building, all that, small waist, big booty, all that. So you can always DM me and get your solution. But apart from that, these are the basics, and I hope that with a trainer or not, if you really want to do things correctly and know that what you are doing is bringing you the exact result that you expect, it's good if you can hire a coach or an online trainer or something to help you out. But if you feel like you can, it's a simple thing, eating clean and burning fat, you can do that as well. So these are my tips and tricks during quarantine, guys. Thanks for listening, and follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is @physique.by.sari, or like my page on Facebook. And keep in touch, and you can always ask me any questions that you guys have on Instagram, and I can send you more details of my online training programs there. So keep in touch, guys, and subscribe to the Bold and Beautiful YouTube channel.